Hiya. This is going to be showing how to make a picture of like a signature or whatever into like a little maker's mark for ceramics. So this is in Illustrator. I'm going to be using Illustrator and Fusion 360, and the reason I'm going to be using those two is because those two are what is on the Makerspace computers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crop this down to what the actual mark is. And then what you want to do is you want to find up here, there's one called Image Trace. If you can't find it up there, it will be in a panel on the side somewhere. And like under Quick Actions and under Mask will be Image Trace. And if you choose, you should be able to find black and white logo. That is what you'll want for this one, and boop, that just turns it into a nice vector. And then you want to click expand, and that gives you a vector out of it. Now I'm just going to, so that I was just, it made a white box as well. I just deleted the white box. So this is our little vector that we're going to be using to make the maker's mark. Now, if you wanted to laser cut it, what you would do is you just put in the cutting settings, so like 0.001 points or whatever. That's incorrect. Follow the little instruction thingy. And then you could laser cut that, and then you could glue that onto your stamp base or whatever. But if you want to make it into a 3D printed one, which is what I'm going to show you now. So you want to take this and you want to save as, and we want to, I'm just going to go into my school, I'm just going to go to school, and I'm going to save it as SVG, and I'm going to save it as Signet. Okay. That's all fine. Doop-a-doop. That just makes it a nice little vector. And then we head over to Autodesk 360, press Create Sketch right there. Make it on whatever plane you want. I don't know what plane this is, but I'm making it on that one. Then you want to take the circle tool. If you want it to be a circular stamp, if you want it to be a rectangle, you can choose a rectangle as well. I like circles. Circles are just nice. I'm bad at maths, so I don't know whether this is 1 centimeter or 10, but I'm going to put it at that, which is fine because we can resize it in Cura if we need. So after you do that, just go finish sketch, and then extrude, however tall you want it to be. Let's go 40 millimeters. Pretty nice. So then you want to go create sketch again, just on the top plane of that, and then you want to go insert SVG. We go insert from my computer, and then we go and we find our signet.svg, and we go, hey buddy, get over here. Over here. We just want to scale it down a little. Sorry, try that again. Because I pressed enter when I shouldn't have. So basically you just want to want it to fit inside the circle. That's going to be pretty small. And because it's a stamp, you want to make sure it's flipped as well. But I didn't bother to do that. And just go finish sketch. And that, grab that, make it, you know, however far out you want, and then, whoa, look at that, that's a stamp. Now, yes, that is going to impress on backwards. I have realized that. That's okay. Don't make the mistakes that I did. And then what you can do is you can export as an STL. Okay, you have to save it then. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to name it blah signet. Go export, and I'm exporting it as an STL file. Export, go signet v0, and then I'm going to get up Cura while this happens. I should have opened Cura earlier, but I didn't because I'm a fool. So once you've got Cura open, you can grab your signet.stl and bring it in. So this is going to be pretty big. This is a pretty big signet. First thing I'm going to do is actually mirror it so that it'll print correctly. You could do that at any stage. I'm going to pretend I did it at the Cura stage on purpose. I'm going to make it about 60% of the size, so it's about, this will be a little over a centimeter big. Okay. And then you choose your settings. I choose this setting. It's the same one they have at the Makerspace that's just like, choose me. And I'm like, okay, Pikachu, I choose you. Then you go slice. And then if you're actually in the Makerspace, you can like go and print it. But I'm actually at home right now. So that's it.